Morning, team. My name is Bala. I head personal loans business for the circle. Thanks for having me here. To tell you a brief about what we are doing as personal loans is we have done extraordinarily well in terms of last year. We are one of the largest regions in the country. In fact, to say we are the ninth largest region, doing about 1,000 crores plus in our circle. We did 100% and above last year also. And in terms of the current year, we have a lag in performance and we have opportunities to grow in the H2. I am going to tell you just four points on why we should do personal loans business. The first and the foremost, which Branch had also addressed it now, is something which is the M0 MDAP. And in terms of M0 MDAP, until last month, whomever was having salary account with ICICI or the Blue Bank, we have disbursed our personal loan disbursement into their own accounts. And currently we have a process change where we are creating a savings account within ourselves, and we are crediting the account in our own accounts, which means that the M0 MDAP grows and the headache of the branch is being handled by our own team. Now, and the average ATS for your branch is approximately about 40 to 45,000, but whereas our ATS is about 6.5 lakhs on an average. Say, for example, there are a few branches where the M0 MDAP is the M0 MDAP for the branch target itself is 40 lakhs, but we have disbursed 140 lakhs NTB customer within our own account, and we have achieved the branch target. So M0 MDAP is something which is handled by the personal loan team. The only request from your side is to increase the NTB leads. And the second point which I want to stress upon here is the branch profitability, which is extremely important right from the RO to the managing director of the organization. And to the branch profitability, approximately for every 100,000 of the disbursement, over disbursement, the 1 lakh disbursement we do, and approximately about 6,000 to 6,500 is added to our branch profitability kit. And the third thing which is also extremely important is the unit target which you will have to achieve in terms of RO to RA targets. Unit targets, you cannot achieve the unit targets without achieving PL targets. So it's not about hitting, you will not be able to achieve the unit targets in the last month of the year. So hitting 6 sixes in a ball is in an over is possible, but hitting 55 runs in the last over is not possible. So we should have started our business starting from 1st of April, but we have nevertheless we are at H2. First month of H2. So I advise you to start giving us leads to get your unit targets also. The fourth and the final point, which is also very important right from RO to the managing director of the organization, is NPS, the customer satisfaction survey. The customer satisfied in terms of NPS also, we are one of the highest rated products. DLB is our highest rated product, where we disburse loans in just a few seconds. So one stone, 4 mangoes, or ore kalala 4 manga is something which I wanted to stress you guys upon. So four things from four achievements from one product, which is the personal loan products. And my expectation from you guys to achieve this thing is two things. One is the DLB business, mapped book basis. There are cases where we will not be able to contact the customers from our own team, but you will be able to contact the customer in terms of service relationships. Customer knows you guys. So the base attached to your is very, very potential pre-screen base. So I would like you to make some calls in terms of PQ basis, number one. And number two, say for example, any customer who walks into our branch and sits before you, if he is a salaried customer, I am representing the entire retail asset community instead of the personal loans. If a salaried customer walks into our office, sits before you and asks these 3-4 points, Make it as a highlighter for your business. If the customer talks about ECS, if the customer is talking about standing instruction, if the customer is requesting for check leaves, if a customer is requesting for bank statement, please make the bulb in your head glow that this customer is approaching somewhere else for retail essence. Nevertheless, it is clear, but he is approaching somewhere else for other business also, and high probability is that this customer will be requesting for a personal loans business from some other places. So I request you guys to, if at all, if that customer is asking any of these points, is discussing any of these points with this fellow working customer, then he is a potential RA customer. Please make 2-3 more questions addressed to the customer to understand if he is seeking a retail asset product and if he is understanding PL product. Please make and lead immediately so that we can contact the customer and disburse the loan. And thanks for the opportunity once again. Remember the 4 points plus the 2 requirements from my side. And very best of luck for your H2 business also. And thank you so much. And this branch particularly, today I am here to hand over the Rajadhiraja trophy also. Congratulations on winning it for the first time in the current financial year. I wish this trophy be retained at the branch level itself. Many congratulations and thank you so much for having you. Thank you.